Yeah, next time.
Actually, the character is so close to what I really am. It's not funny. It's like it's my life story. And the way she is, the way she does that, all of that. So I don't have to act. I just go play myself.
That would be fun.
It was difficult initially because you don't usually observe yourself. You don't as a person. You don't know how you may react in a certain situation. You just feel and you react and you come back. But not to play yourself, but to actually observe a lot of things about you. This is what I do in such a situation. This is what Indian mind do. So okay, I will put this in there.
You're more popular as Gunjan now or your earlier series?
Definitely. My earlier shows, for a while people don't remember because none of them were such big hits. And people abroad still remember the shows more than here because they were also successful. But Sabbe Suhane is like popular here, probably in the small towns and also abroad. So
It's big. Yeah, I'm sure it's, I think, ranks among the top most ERP shows out there. They're doing reality shows.
yeah, I love it. Last time we didn't take up I had Welcome, yeah. So I let go for a book.
Are you a good cook?
I'm edible food.
What's your favorite? But are you a foodie?
Like right now also when I'm talking to you, all I can think of is the garlic pieces that's coming in my mouth. They're delicious. Which was your first serial? My first show was with Zee. It was called Hamari Beetiyon Ka Vivaah. In 2008. It was a 7 o'clock show. And that was my very first show. And believe me, since that day onwards, I've only been doing radio shows. It's like every year, okay, 11 months of this show, 6 months of this show, 4 months of this
So
show.
how did you get into it? Like, when
I
did you
was
come
into
to Mumbai from
choreography.
Bangalore?
I was in school when this choreographer Pony Verma had come down to Bangalore to judge a competition, dance competition. Summer vacations, I took part. I won the competition. So she asked me to come to assist her. So I can't go to Bombay and stay alone. I'm not doing that. I'm still in school. I think God no, and days passed by. Till I remember I saw this movie called Garam Masala's promo.
Johnny Brink.
Johnny Brink, Akshay Kumar. And it was Priyadarshini. So I was sitting and I think I was studying or rehearsing something. I had taken a break for 5 minutes. And I saw the promo and I saw choreography by Pony Verma. So I went up to mom and I said, you know, she's really a big choreographer and she asked me to come assist her and I said, no, what did I do? So my mom was like, that was 6 months back, forget about it. I said, no, I'm going to try calling her. So then she remembered that. I called her, luckily her number was the same. She remembered me. So she said, okay fine, do I think I'm coming? That same year I had a lot of relatives here. So I was coming for a wedding. So I told her I'm coming in December for my cousin's wedding and I'll see you there. She said, cool. So I came, I met her. She said, join me right after your exams get over in March. So I said, okay. Went back to Bangalore, I finished my exam on the 22nd of March. 26th I was in Bombay. And I lined up straight on Priyadarshini set. Chup Chup Ke. There's a movie Shahid Kareena and Neha Dubey. That's how it started. Then I did 2 years of choreography while I was studying. Then I said enough of choreography. Oh, yeah. A friend of mine was auditioning for the same Zee show.
So you did the lead? First was the lead?
First one. It was about 4 daughters and he managed it. So I was playing the youngest daughter. So it was a lead and I auditioned, I got through it. And before I knew it, I was shooting for a promo in Panchgani. And the hoardings went up all over Mumbai. And I was just standing there and staring at my hoarding and saying, oh my god, is that me? I would get off a rick and say, Bhaiya, Bhaiya, dekho, main hu. So you would look up and say, Arey, haan, to aap hai.
Gives you a high, yeah?
It's a beautiful feeling, but very soon it vanished because followed by that was like 6 months of hard work. Shooting every day, day and night, day and night. And
You don't get the time to enjoy yourself.
nothing. Nothing. So 6
How many
months.
days in a And you're saying this.
Now I've asked them to give me at least 2 days off every month so I can feel alive. But I think it usually goes up to 4 now with this month. In June I had 4 offs, now I am. So life should be a bit sorted.
So when did you meet at club?
I met Aki in 2008 in fact, when I was shooting for Puma. No, the girl was playing my sister, Parima Pranati. Become very good friends. Yeah. So she knew Aki. They had done a show together previously also. So and Aki was shooting for the same, for a different show in the same studio. On Sahara one. That's when we met, became friends. Through Parima.
Your family doesn't have any objection?
In fact, my dad speaks so much to him, more than he speaks to me. I don't have the time, I'm always shooting makeup. So my dad.
Even the religion angle.
Things we haven't really talked of marriage and all of that. So maybe when we do, we get the parents or I think there'll be an issue. My parents ran away and got married, so I don't think there will be an issue.
Do you normally like to put makeup or are you in a very
No, I don't like it. I feel when you put on makeup,
So even after you're not like that?
yeah, I don't. I try to keep it very natural because I feel people relate better. What happens is the moment you are wearing a lot of makeup and you have this artificial long hair and those absolutely perfect dresses and shoes and nails and
So the angle when they're getting up from the sleep, you know?
yeah, people don't relate to that. It's nice to watch them. I mean, it's fun to watch it once in a while. You can't look so gorgeous all the time and tell all the girls in the country that you know, see, I am so pretty, you guys don't look good. They don't know, transfer makeup is so much hard for women. So I try, in fact, I try and balance even in the show. I get a lot of comments from my channel. We want makeup, we want you to wear lashes and wear a darker lip color and all of that. Right? She's an 18-year-old girl. Please tell me, which 18-year-old girl wears so much of makeup and maroon lipstick and steps out? That doesn't happen. So I kind of avoid it. Also, when I try and give interviews and nights and stuff, I go without makeup. So that's relatability. But okay, yeah, she's just like us. Instead of that whole made up and touch me not and oh my god, stay away from her. Feel it. I hate that. Makeup is good, you need a bit of it for it. It's necessary, you can't look bad. You have to look presentable. But that's about it. Most people just wear makeup because I'm acting so I have to wear makeup. It's not necessary that everything that some other girl is wearing loads of clothes. Like eyeliners don't suit me, so they don't. It doesn't mean that I'm going to wear eyeliner. I avoid it.
Are you an adventure sports?
Yeah, I am. I do freak out a bit, like last minute, but like now in South Africa, I went shark diving, and it was very scary.
Sharks.
Like you go into the
Oh,
water,
you're in the cage and
the sharks are outside in view. Oh my god. Sharks would come and just do this and then go. It's like you're here and the shark is here. There is a glass wall, of course, but it's still so scary. You to see it here and like, oh.
actually I read somewhere they are not really scared of it all. Unless there's a drop of blood. Okay. Otherwise they are harmless.
Okay.
They don't attack you. Now we are all geared up for a rapid fire round with a very cute Gunjan. No, Rupal, Tyagi. What's your favorite Hindi series?
Obviously, Sabse Suhag.
No, don't tell me that.
Yeah, seriously, it is.
A reality show that you would love to do.
Jhalak.
I guess you being a choreographer yourself.
Yes, and I feel really bad that I couldn't do it the last time I was offered, so I hope.
We wish that we hope to see you next time. Success to you is?
Success is when you set out to do something and you achieve it, and that feeling that you get at that time, that is success. So be it in your professional life, personal life. Like I said, the person like Kajol is successful because she's doing well in her personal life, as in she's got kids, she's a wife, she's a mother, and she's done some great work.
Do you spend money on?
Accessories, clothes,
typical of a young girl.
Yeah, very typical.
Luxury to you is?
Luxury is a must. I mean, I cannot live life if my life is not luxurious enough. I want the best of everything.
Money, fame or love? Which order would you give?
Love, money, fame.
But don't you think fame is what gives you money?
See, money can be earned in a lot of ways. Not necessarily, but fame, if you're famous, it also comes with a lot of baggage. Other things. So if there is other ways of earning money, go ahead. Like, I get paid to act, not to be famous. So, love, money, and then fame.
Great. A word that you most often use?
Actually, I saw it in one of the episodes, and somehow it's just stuck in my head since then. I mean, I watched a lot of How I Met Your Mother. So there was a character that keeps using it. Now, I've seen that episode so often that I keep saying it myself, and I also keep saying, really, really,
Really? What is your pet peeve? Something that you hate in a person?
wannabes. I just hate it when people pretend to be something else and they turn into like absolute wannabes.
So the first thing that you notice in a man?
I don't notice actually. I smell the fragrance.
So I think that's something like Rani Mukherjee's movie, no?
Yeah, that was the only reason I think I liked the film, because I could so relate to that. I mean, seriously, a guy. Actually, there are two. A man's fragrance and then the way he talks.
Okay.
That's like a huge turn on. He needs to know what he's saying. He should just be
Knowledgeable,
intelligent, knowledgeable, know his
Well
words.
read.
That's
The advantage of being a TV star.
instant fame and a lot of money after a while. I'm entering the after a while phase.
Are you single or dating?
I am dating.
One thing that nobody knows about you.
I have no patience. I have absolutely no patience to sit down for makeup, to get dressed while driving.
So you're working on it, I'm sure.
Yeah, I'm
Because,
trying really hard to get some patience.
Because patience is a virtue.
Yes, it is. It really is a virtue.
If you envy, who's the person that you envy? I wish.
Deepika Padukone. Oh my god. For her figure, her looks, her hair, everything.
Does the casting couch exist in the television industry?
I don't think so. I really don't think so. I've never come across even one person in television who's told me that. In Bollywood, when I was working with Koni, yes, I've seen a lot of it, but I haven't seen any of it in television.
What's your motto in life?
To live happily, luxuriously, earn lots of money so that I can buy all the expensive stuff. Most importantly, be happy.
Thank you so much, Gunjan. That was lovely having you with us at High Tide, the resort.
Thank you.
And it was a really nice interview.
It was my pleasure. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for coming.